Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview, including those for the Voyager wallet, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Is the Voyager wallet safe? Let's explore its usability and security features. Designed with both newcomers and seasoned cryptocurrency users in mind, the Voyager wallet provides a user-friendly way to manage your digital assets. As part of the larger Voyager platform, it offers a mobile-first experience and supports a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies. This makes it a compelling choice for those looking to invest in and securely store a variety of digital currencies all in one place. Voyager wallet takes security seriously, implementing bank-level encryption to protect your holdings. Your private keys are stored offline, significantly reducing the risks associated with online attacks. For added security, the wallet also supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, providing an additional layer of protection when accessing your wallet and authorizing transactions. While Voyager wallet boasts robust security measures, it's important to understand that it operates under centralized control. This means you're entrusting the platform with the security of your private keys and recovery information. This is a key consideration for users who prioritize fully decentralized solutions. Should your device become lost or damaged, Voyager wallet offers backup and recovery functionality to help you regain access to your funds. This includes seed phrase recovery options and customer support to guide you through the process. The wallet's design prioritizes user-friendliness, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a simple and intuitive interface without sacrificing essential security features. For traders and investors, the Voyager wallet seamlessly integrates with the Voyager trading platform. This allows you to buy, sell, and trade over 60 cryptocurrencies directly within the app. This integration makes Voyager wallet a comprehensive solution for active cryptocurrency traders needing a secure and efficient way to manage their assets. In summary, the Voyager wallet presents a safe and accessible option for users who value both convenience and security. However, it's crucial to remember that using a centralized wallet inherently involves risks associated with third-party control. For more information and to access the Voyager wallet links, check out the description below.